Hello, everyone. My name is Ankap Ngamketsap, and I'm the TRIRIGA application architect. Today's session, we're going to go over the disclosure report, the BIRT report that we fixed in this lease accounting 10531 release. Yeah. The agenda for today is the changes in the application. And we also did some change in BIRT disclosure reports, the no limitations, and the reference materials. So the change that we made in this application is that we added a TRIRIGA server details section on the general tab of the application settings record. In that TRIRIGA server details section, we added a new field. It is called database server field. There are three options available. So Oracle will be default, DB2, and then Microsoft SQL Server. So this is important note to let you all know that to be able to run the BIRT disclosure reports, this database server field needs to be set correctly, because later I will tell you why we have to do this. So this is the screenshot of where the field is reside on the application setting record. So it's basically on the general tab. So the change in the BIRT disclosure reports that we do for this release, or we fix it for this release, is that all of the BIRT disclosure reports, except just for one, they are now retrieve data directly from the database using the SQL statement. We are no longer using TRIRIGA native query to feed the report. And for this release, we only fix the disclosure reports that is for non-local reporting. So we don't yet we are not yet fixed the local reporting report disclosure report ones. Just to note that the currency conversion rate must be added in the TRIRIGA system. If you want to use the current, like on the BIRT reports, that will be the currency parameter for the user to pick. So if you want to use that feature, let's say your system have multiple, your lease records have multiple currency. Like 5 of them might be in Japanese, another 5 would be in Indian rupees. So to run the report, the same currency must be converted, right? So to do that, the currency conversion rate must be added in the TRIRIGA system. Please reference the disclosure report document that I will show you at the end of the PowerPoint. For which currency conversion rate that each report is used. So for the no limitations, for the currency conversion for BIRT disclosure reports, we only support the default currency conversion group. And the second no limitation is that, like I said, all BIRT disclosure reports, except for only one report, are designed now to retrieve data directly from the database using the SQL statements. Therefore, the column name that is referenced may not be the same in your TRIRIGA database, just to put it out there. The third no limitation is that since these reports retrieve data directly from the database, there are two sets of the SQL statements that are written. One is for the Oracle DB2 script, and another for the Microsoft SQL Server. So that is why you need to set the application setting record with that TRIRIGA server to let us know which of your database to run, which type of your, which server of your database to run the BIRT report, whether it's Oracle DB2 or Microsoft SQL Server. So currently support only 3 database servers, Oracle DB2 and Microsoft SQL Server. And last is that the BIRT disclosure report for the local reporting plan for the future release. So the reference materials, we have 3 different materials here. So the disclosure report assumptions, it's going to be available to let you know like what are the assumptions that we made or our CPA consultant made. And also the disclosure report requirements for each of the report, what those are. And there will be like release note as well. So please go and reference those materials for more information. Thank you for listening.